Welcome back to the Automotive Blockchain channel. Everyone, subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. We had just crossed over the 70 subscribers on this very young channel. Listen, everyone, I really hope that you are enjoying this content. If you do, go ahead and hit like. It really helps the channel out. Heck, feel free to share it. That would be awesome too. And subscribe. So, all right, I'm going to start this thing off with, in a video I recently published about HERE Technologies, we covered their shareholders and their strategic partners, and we asked the question, is it possible that within the HERE platform that it is incorporated with VeChain via the BMW VerifyCar app? Please take a look at that video and let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, in this video, we will look into another aspect of HERE Technologies and a possible connection with IOTA. So let's go ahead and get into this.
Heated smart, I do my part, get in the car. Superstar, they're watching me. IoT, IoT.
On the HERE Technologies website, it shows the shareholders here, and one of the shareholders is Bosch. And so let's go ahead and look at what that particular partnership is all about. In the strategic partnering between HERE and Bosch, the key focus is to provide an open platform and customer-centric solutions for automotive and the Internet of Things, whether developing database services for Industry 4.0. It then goes on to read, from exploring intralogistics to new solutions for the office, factory, and home, the partnership enables portfolio development and cross-industry collaboration. Now, I know some of you may not quite know what Industry 4.0 is, or Industry 3.0, etc. So I pulled up this quick Forbes article to kind of digest that for you a little bit. So, in essence, computers are connected and communicated with one another to ultimately make decisions without human involvement. A combination of cyber-physical systems and the Internet of Things and the Internet of Systems make Industry 4.0 possible. Ultimately, it takes the network of these machines that are digitally connected with one another and create and share information that results in the true power of 4.0. So they're talking about the interconnectivity of the Internet Things, Internet of Systems, all communicating with each other and without human involvement. So that would be the Industry 4.0. So when I was researching for this video, I came across this article over at EDAG. Now, recently I had also did a video on EDAG's technology. I really love the things that they are doing. But here, Bosch Engineering provides for orientation and endurance. And this is on the EDAG news. So here's how Bosch is working with EDAG. Ultrasonic sensors. Although hardly anyone is consciously aware of them, they are indispensable in driverless vehicles like the EDAG CityBot. And you can go ahead and look at the video that I did on the EDAG CityBot. Also, in the link will be in the description. The surround sensors installed in the EDAG CityBot make self-localization and safe movement in confined spaces possible. I want you to focus a little bit on the self-localization in the driverless vehicles. So these are going to be, and you can see the picture here, EDAG builds these modules. And this particular section over here, the front part of the module that has that little, crow's nest on the top there, the eye, that actually detaches from the body and then can go connect with another module. So it's a pretty amazing technology. And again, I love them and what they're doing. So that is a part of this particular EDAG CityBot. As far as self-localization goes, think about it from the perspective of no matter where they are in a city, no matter where they are in a factory. So from Bosch Engineering's perspective, they're talking about in the factory type setting. Let's go on to read the statement from Bosch. We are delighted to be a part of this future project and provide our expertise and technologies to support the EDAG group. Our surround sensor system helps the CityBot to get its bearings and move safely and to avoid collisions with with objects. This may include humans, whether they're in the warehouse or they're on the street. Just putting that out there. Quick charging is possible thanks to the powerful and compact 48-volt Bosch traction battery. All right, so think about this from that perspective of how Bosch is integrating with. And let's funnel back over to HERE Technologies. All right, so HERE Technologies has the sophisticated 3D mapping. Bosch is working with HERE Technologies to further develop the technology within the factory setting. So think about this for a minute. EDAG has CityBot driverless vehicle solutions for factories and are also working with Bosch utilizing their surround sensors and batteries. EDAG also has other solutions pertaining to trash removal, park maintenance, airport and tarmac type stuff. And through all of those solutions, EDAG has IOTA built in. So for all those CityBot driverless solutions, don't you think, and this is just kind of me taking a leap, don't you think it would be great to get them to travel across the factory or from factory to factory or across the city utilizing sophisticated 3D mapping systems provided by HERE? On an enterprise level, HERE Technologies has all the customizable solutions for big data. They have the artificial intelligence to literally solve these cross-industry challenges. So in this Bosch example, and this is once again, maybe I'm taking a leap, I want you to let me know, but wouldn't it make sense to have IOTA, Bosch, and HERE all working together so that all of these CityBots would be able to navigate around using feeless transactions and then also having the most sophisticated mapping systems built in throughout their entire ecosystem? Go ahead and let me know what you think in the comments section. I really am interested in seeing how this is to develop, because EDAG in and of themselves, they are moving forward with this great technology of driverless vehicles. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to get your feedback. Go ahead, hit that like button, and do not hesitate to share this video and subscribe to the channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.